Hello guys! Happy New Year! Yay! So today we're going out for little dinner guys for family. Are you ready for dinner? Huh? Kakagigil ka baby. Let's go!
ไม่ใส่รองเท้าหรอกแบบนี้ไม่ใช้เบรกไม่ใช้เท้าเบรกลืมไหมนี่พี่ไหมไม่ไปลืมเอากิ๊บมาให้นะเดี๋ยวเอากิ๊บกัน
So guys, nandito na po tayo ngayon sa restaurant na aming pagkakainan. Our simple dinner celebration for New Year. Ang ganda rito ah, ayos ah. May dinosaur pa. Ang ganda guys. Wow. So kami lang pong apat dito guys kasi si mother-in-law nagpunta po ng temple, no. Siya po ay parang ano siya, magdadasal ng ritual, no, for the new year. Tapos si Plemay po ay nandun sa kanyang pamilya, no, sa kanyang mama. Check lang namin guys kasi parang fully booked yata yung kanilang restaurant dito kasi new year, no. Let's check kung wala, ikot-ikot muna tayo. Tapos kasi itong restaurant na to guys, marami pong franchise. So ito po yung 1 and 2. So nasa kabila po yung 1. So kung wala, punta tayo dun sa ano, sa 3. Cut time, Rabbit. So we need to go there for queue. Grabe. Ang laki ng restaurant dito pero fully booked guys, no? Daming ano. Ang ganda din kasi talaga dito. Ayan, makita nyo guys. Meron pa mga ano na mga rabbit dito. You know? Mga animals sila doon, no? Wow, grabe. Ang daming hayop, oh. Pangam. May dinosaur pa. Ayos ah. Wow. Wow. Wow, dinosaur. How many queue? 528 queue. Okay guys, meron na po tayong queue. At ready na po tayong pumunta sa ating table at order tayo ng food. Ito na po yung ating table guys. Yan, so kuparin natin yung ating mga slipper. Eva, what food you gonna order, Eva? Huh? Huh? What food you gonna order? You gonna eat? Wow. Yes. Look at mommy. Yes. Her new haircut. Wow, for the new year. So beautiful. Bless you, baby. Mwah! So ito lang yung ating celebration guys. Simple lang no kasi Hindi kami makapunta ng city kasi sobrang crowded doon. Saka si Eva takot sa takot sa fireworks. Gusto sana namin pumunta doon sa countdown doon sa Pattaya Beach. Kaso dami talagang tao doon guys. Saka nag-worry kami kay Eva, no? Tsaka na pagka medyo lumaki na siya. So meron tayong counting beer guys. Konti lang naman. Pang natin, pampa-relax lang guys. Para sa ating pampatulog mamaya. Eva! Okay, let's cheers. Alright. Eva! Cheers! Okay, rice is come. The food is come. Alright. Wow. Wow. Enjoy your food, Eva. First bite, first bite. Wow. Wow. Delicious. She wants more, she wants more. Okay, very good. And our second menu for today. Wow. That's good. Wala tayong iba. Okay. Mama. What is that? Wow. Woo. Look at that food, baby. Spicy. Okay, guys, let's eat this one. What is the name of this meal? Kuncen pa. Spicy but really good, guys. Bye bye, bye bye. Cucuk. Okay. Cucuk. 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 Ja. Okay.
Mà ba rồi, mà đó nè. Cắp. Mà leo. Cắp mà leo. Mà đó nữa. Mà leo. Má. Cắp mà leo, cắp leo. Má. Mà leo cắp leo. Cắp ơi, đưa Hà Ba rồi. Đưa Hà Ba rồi. Em ba loอยู่นะ ขู่อยู่เลยไม่กลัวมันขู่อยู่เนี่ยนะจ๊ะขู่มันเลยไม่ต้องกลัวมันขู่ไม่ช่วยเอาขู่小心哦，不要掉到河里。